Hello friends, let's make yummy snacks. You need butter, bread, and few more ingredients. First, melt the butter. Wow, the butter looks great. Now, we'll take the butter and then we will add garlic powder. I don't like garlic powder that much, but this ended out to be great. You'll see. Forgot to add oregano. Let's add oregano first, then mix. Be careful not to drop any. I think that's too less. We need to add some more. Yup, the perfect amount. Now we will add it. Now mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing is my personally favorite thing. Oops, dropped some. Yummy. The mixture is ready. Let's put it aside. Then take the other now let's make honey butter. The honey one was my favorite. Add 2 tablespoons of honey into the butter. Yummy, honey is my favorite. But it takes very long time to pour it. Two spoons would be enough. Even though I wanted to add much more. Put the honey aside. By your hands with a tissue. And then mix, mix, mix. Now take the chopping board and slice the toast into 3 pieces. Cutting is also a very fun thing to do. You can also cut them in any shape you like if you want to. But I prefer them in 2 pieces. Now do that to all of them. Cutting is also one of my favorite things to do. And we look at those perfect slices. Prepare the baking dish with butter paper. Now first put the garlic mixture on bread. Legendary. Now we will also do that to all of them. Brush it nicely. This mixture may not look that good, but it looks great when it's cooked. Arrange them in a dish. I personally loved it when it was cooked. I think you will too. Brush, brush, brush. Now put the honey butter on the slices. The honey butter was pretty good. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds also come on naan. Then sprinkle sesame seeds on top of honey slices. They look great, ready for the oven. Let's make hot chocolate till then. Need milk and some other materials. Melted cooking chocolate, chocolate syrup and honey is all you need. Milk, the main ingredient. Milk is my favorite too. Now add the materials in the milk. I nearly ate all the chocolate. Yummy. Chocolate is also one of my favorite things. Like, who doesn't like chocolate? I eat it all the time. Of course, no, I'm not talking about the people who are allergic. That tasted good. Now add the syrup. Then mix them all. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Yummy. This really looks great and fun to do. The milk is ready. Now, finally the slices are ready. Serve them in a plate. Hot, but also very yummy. Cautiously pick them. Separate them in 2 different plates, and they are finally ready to serve with a fine glass of hot chocolate. The hot chocolate was my favorite, but the toasts were good too. Plus, the hot chocolate had all the materials I love: honey, syrup, and also chocolate. Like, look at that. Now pour the hot chocolate into a mug. Yummy! I loved it all, guys, and I think you will love it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Untitled.